Lordagsgodis. I botched that one, but wow. I have no clue. Well, let's try it out and find out what is this item. Come on, let's do it. Hello everybody, Sam the foodie from Minnesota back with another taste testing video. Thanks for watching my previous videos. Again, I love you guys. I love doing this for you guys. Definitely is a fun use of my time. So today we have some different gummy treats from Ikea. So I am not sure how to pronounce these. Lordagsgodis. I have no clue. It says it's the sweet peak of the week. I have 3 different styles here. So this one here in my hand here is sweet jellies with raspberry, cranberry, or forest fruit flavor. So that's that one. The green bag is sweet jellies with gooseberry, apple, or pear flavor. And then these ones here, these are sour jellies with rhubarb, lemon, or lime flavor. So that's what we got. I'm not going to try all of them because that would probably take too long and probably overcarb me. So let's try the red one here. So these are sweet jellies with raspberry, cranberry, or forest fruit flavor. Looking at it, looks like there is 17 pieces per serving. That's a lot of pieces. 2.5 servings per container, so a little over 40 pieces per bag. Look at the back here. I don't know if you guys can see that very well, but they are multiple colors. I'm guessing that defines which flavor you're going to get. Yeah, let's open them up. Hopefully, they're easier to open than IKEA furniture is to assemble. All right. Probably going to demolish this bag, but yeah, here we go. All right. Oh, man. Yummy gummy. I am a sucker for gummies. So, taking a smell. Of course, we're going to get all those smells all together from each individual candy. This smells like a fruity mess. It smells delicious. I'll pull a few of these out. Let's see, how many flavors are there? Raspberry, cranberry, forest fruit. All right, I think I got one of each flavor. So these are actually really small. They're about the size of my fingertip. So there's that one. This one right here. And this one right here. So let me see if they have any guide. They do not have a guide as far as which is which. So I'm going to have to guess. So I am going to start with this little one right here. I'm going to guess that this one is forest fruit, so or raspberry. Let's see. I think that one is forest fruit or cranberry. This one here. That one in my mouth. Definitely raspberry. This one right here. All right. So the darker one, the very first one I had was forest fruit. Second one was raspberry. And the last one I just ate with cranberry. So those, they were, as far as chewiness, they were pretty chewy. Not completely like sink right into it, which is good for gummy. The flavors were there. They were not overpowering. Nothing blew me away. But they were actually really good flavors. Ikea makes very good quality foods and candies, so I always enjoy eating them when I can. So, but yeah, 3 different flavors. I kind of like them. They are small sizes, 17 pieces per serving, 27 grams. So that's like less than 2 grams of carbs for each piece, which if you only pop a few pieces in there, that makes it a pretty reasonable amount. So, although I don't know if I could stop myself after 2 pieces. So. All right, so got to give it a rating on a scale of 1 to 5. I'm going to give these probably a 3. They did not blow me away. They were an average candy. If I saw them there, you know, they look good at the time, I'd probably buy them. Wouldn't go out of my way to find them, though. That's the thing. That's what sets it apart from the higher rankings is, you know, the flavor blowing me away or it being so good that, like, I want more right now. So, gonna give it a 3 out of 5. I will try these ones another time. Actually, these sour ones look pretty good. But I'll try these another time. Not gonna do a video on the other ones, but 3 out of 5 for the Ikea gummies. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any ideas for what you would like me to try next, please post them down in the comments. Otherwise, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Click on that subscribe button and the bell notifications down there. Yep, that'll tell you when I'm posting new videos, normally on Sunday and Wednesday at 12 noon. So, thanks for watching again. Y'all stay safe.